everyone. I hope you all are familiar with Harry Potter and platform 9 and 3 quarters. Such an interesting name for a platform that leads to a magical school. I love Harry Potter if it's any doubt in your head. I mean, who doesn't? Let me tell you a story which is related to Harry Potter and it's so close to me. When I first met my husband, we went on a date, of course. And then there was this conversation about what do you like, what are your hobbies and all. And coincidentally, we both love reading. So we talked about the books we read, which books we love, etc. etc. Then he asked, have you read Harry Potter? And then I said, no, I haven't. But I have seen all the movies, right? I was just saving my face like I'm such an avid reader. I'm talking about books and all that I love to read and all. And I haven't read Harry Potter, which is like great book of the century, of course. He immediately started teasing me like, you call yourself a Harry Potter fan and you haven't read the books. It's a crime. You must read it. And I was like, yeah, he's right, but there are like so many books. And then I will get time, I will read it. And I definitely did. But after the marriage, but I read it twice, the whole series twice. And it was such an interesting read. I can't tell you. It was a revelation for me. The movies are good, okay. But yeah, there's so much missing in the movies. You can't show the entire book in a movie, of course. So I read those books. And I used to share, little tidbits of what I found interesting and what I found new in those books, which I haven't seen in the movies, of course. So we talked about the characters, which character do you like, which character I like, and it was such an interesting. We couldn't stop talking about Harry Potter, and that's what the most interesting thing. Like you can share your nerdiness with someone and you connect on that level that you like this thing so much and the other person is also liking the same thing, and yeah, we still love Harry Potter. So this was our Harry Potter story. I hope you like it. And yeah, we talked about many other things, of course, and we connected on so many levels, and then we decided to get married soon after more conversation, of course. I would like to hear your thoughts on my story and this drawing, of course. And if you like this drawing, please hit like. It would mean a lot to me. Find value in my content and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.